Hello everyone, today I'm going to do this set of patched 3D sweater pattern. First, I'm using this sand gel. Draw a small patch on the up left corner. I'm only going to draw for one layer, so I'm trying to make all the sand more even. After curing lamb, next one I'm using this brick red color and drawing another patch on the right up corner. And this color is more transparent, so after cure I'm applying the second layer. Next one, I'm using white gel and doing the patch on the left corner. And I'm painting this nude color for the last part. After curing lamb, I'm applying matte top coat. Cure in lamb and then wipe off the sticky layer. And I'm using this 3D white gel and painting the sweater pattern on the white patch. for the brick color, since I don't have the matching 3D gel, so I'm using Presto gel powder and mix with the gel polish at about 50-50 ratio. And then I'm drawing a pattern on the same color patch. But this time I'm trying to draw on another direction to make it look more variety. So basically I'm drawing a few lines to make the different sections and then different pattern in between the lines. Usually I will go over the 3D pattern at least twice, and you have to make it higher than the ideal height, especially when you need to apply top coat after, to make the space for the top coat to eat over the pattern. Here is a finished set. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time.